Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to another wallet. First of all, open up the Binance application. You can do this both on a computer or a mobile device. Tap on this portfolio and here we are in our portfolio. Then you need to find your tether. Mine's appearing here. If yours isn't, you can always use the search function to the VR of assets and go and find USDT. Then go and tap on it. If you are on a computer, just head over to the right and click on withdraw, but on a mobile device you will need to go and click on it and then you can go and click on withdrawal in the bottom left like this and just wait for it. Now you need to enter the address you want to go and send it to. And then what's really important is to select the right network. As you can see here, mine is automatically matching the network, but once you've checked, select the right one. In this case here it's the near protocol. Make sure the person who sent you their address has told you to the network as well, but this is an address. So then what you need to do is enter the amount you want to withdraw. So as you can see, you need to enter minimum 50, but then after that you just have to tap on this withdraw, and after you click withdrawal you will then be asked to go and enter your two-factor authentication if you have enabled, and possibly an email verification as well. But that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.